So today in this particular video, we will be gonna discuss all about how we can create full stack applications like using now another thing is getting hands to hand like vibe coding or certain things like we will be gonna adapt certain things. Okay, so we'll try to understand what kind of a code it is going to write and how we can create awesome kind of a web pages, landing pages you will be gonna learn in this particular sessions. Okay, in this particular videos. Like going further, you will be building full stack applications, which will making more impactful. Even you, if you are founder, even if you are business person, you will be gonna understand lot of aspects. Okay, so first things first, we will try to give a set of prompts like basic prompt how you can curate those things here. So let me create here so that you will get at least fair understanding what I am trying to build it here. Then later on you can just uh, download this particular code into your local workspace and you can just check in the local workspace as well like localhost in your internal machine as well. So you can just have a thing first. So first in this particular series we'll try to build a full stack web application. Then later on we'll see that is there any thing is there to build any kind of a create a landing page for. Okay, create a landing page for this to do. So build a mobile app, let's say build a mobile app that uh, let's try that first, then later on we'll see uh, like in after this series we'll create this particular simple app, so later on we'll move towards another thing. Okay, all right, let's find school. Okay, so mobile app that okay, so lab for this to-do list we can list of all tasks, and we can have a list of all to-do tasks. So have things first, so later on first of all we'll try to do this. Now let's see. Okay, first thing first, so it is trying to build a thinking here, and whatever the things we are talking about it will be gonna do that. Okay, so it is trying to give it here. Okay, so these are the things like it is going to create it for us, like it's simple folks, like why you wanna create this kind of a stuffs which can be done using an AI, and which can done all the things for you, cooked up for you. Just see the code and you can, if you required certain things, just provide some set of prompts. Okay, so it will be gonna give you lot of aspects here. Okay, first thing first, we will just try to have it here. Okay, so later on we'll see. Once it's done is we will see. Yes folks, so now see here, now we have here a couple of things here now. I hope you are able to see the QR code and scanner to install this particular mobile app basically. So you can use this particular applications and build for you folks. So let's get dive into it. Let's see how things works, and let me install in my app like so that we can see how the things is working. So I will show you the output of that, and you can also see the experience how the things is working. I'm very excited for this. Yes, folks. So there is some issues with the projects part. Okay, so uh, let me see like how it is fixing these issues. Okay, then we'll see this particular app how it will look like, and it's a React Native application basically. So we'll see how it looks. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, let me open this. Once it's done, we'll see. Code npm dev npm install. Yes, folks. So, see, so I have created a simple, one of the React Native application. See, like it's kind of a thing now. Okay, let's say if I'm just trying to do it, something related to it, like it is a high priority, low priority, medium priority. Let's say medium priority. I will just check it. So, I'm building an React Native application. So I will write as a building an React Native application. So I will just write it like this. Okay, let me need to build. Okay, so need to build an splash screen. Okay, so let's see if I'm just write it like this, and I will just select it today's date. Due date is today's. You can just select it here. Maybe some issues is there, folks, like so maybe it is not taking a picker in definite way. Okay, so maybe issues in that. See, dismiss some issues within Android platform. See, this is one, it is working now, right? So if you see here, view all tasks, there is one task, React Native application, right? So how cool app it you can make a build an applications in housely, right? So see how these things you can do. Let's say you wanted to have like completed some, you let's say you wanted to delete this one. Basic to do applications you can do. Like the people are now they are making courses and they are selling out like thousand rupees and all. But this does not make any sense. You try it out and see this particular whole video, you will be going to get lot of sense, folks. Okay, so that is what the whole agenda of this particular whole series that I'm going to create it. Like I'm making leveling up for you, so that initially you just start with this kind of an application, you just try to explore with this kind of a cool cool stuff. First we'll build this application, then we'll jump to the another platform and just try to see it. Okay, so you can just see this. Okay, so how this things is coming it out. Let's say I did not like this particular cool things, so let's say there is some issues with the thing. I will show you here only, right? See here, see in this particular mobile app there is a issue, right? There is an issues happening when we are running in this particularly. So here it is telling that you are having some issues with related to it, so just fix this problem for me, right? So there are some issues. Me like let's see this fix this particular issue, then I will show you like how it is looking in mobile apps. Okay, so let's get back there. All right, yeah, still there is an issue. Okay, discuss the problem now. Okay, so I will tell that first discuss the problem first, then we'll try to come back what's the problem it is happening, right? So command is getting failed, right? So use npm run dev. I told them like use npm run dev. No, why you are doing this particularly? Start UI design. So create beautifully UI design. So I'm telling that you can just enhance the home screen, right? And create, let's say in another thing, let me tell this particularly to create a landing page, create a splash screen where it should be looking what this app is all about and all those stuffs. Okay, you can just download and export it this as well, right? Like after that I will show you how the things you can export it and see this particular thing, how you can build this kind of an applications for your own use case. I will show you in another series. This is like basic application I will be gonna show you. Comment down below which kind of a tutorials that will excites you. Okay, so that makes me understanding what kind of a things that you are liking or not. Alright, so let's get back here now. There is a log dismiss, right? So I will just dismiss it. Yeah. See, see now the application is live. See, are you able to see this? I did not write single line of a code. I didn't write a single line of a code. I just gave this kind of an application I wanted to build. Just give it for me, right? So it gave it for me. So let me clear scan once again. Allow. Okay. What I want to do is here. I don't know what is happening to this. See. Nice. I did not create anything. See, this is an app like basic to-do list version basically, folks. So if you want me to create this kind of an application and show it to you, see, like kind of a cool UI, right? I did not build anything here. Just I just gave the prompt to the bolt, it created for me, right? So this kind of an application I will be gonna create in this particular series, in this particular following series. Let me know which kind of a concept that I wanted to bring in, then I show it to you, connecting the backend, connecting the some of the SOPA base, like creating some MVP kind of a products, right? So see, here also there is a add a new task. Let's say I will show you. See, now this is add a new task. If you closely observe, add a new task, right? Create. Click on this. Maybe some issues. You can just write it. Write it. I feel it is not mobile friendly. I feel okay. So I will tell that. Can you make mobile friendly and mobile friendly, and it should be responsive and it should be smooth experience. Okay, so this kind of a prompts you can just write it, like how you interact, right? It takes like majorly hit some I used totally the API cost is done, is over. Tomorrow we'll just get started, folks. Okay, so I will just show you this app now here. If you just refresh it now, let me refresh it, this kind of an application in web only. Okay, so comment down below, folks, how did you feel this kind of an application? See, you can just click on this, add a new task. So in a web it is working fine, but in mobile apps I feel like you can use like in the like in the YouTube there are a lot of people telling that you can build this kind of one mobile application. No, still it is in still you cannot do that, but what I believe is like you can use Flutter kind of a framework for that. Expo this kind of a React Native, it's okay. I will not do any comments on that, but I feel Flutter is the best feel. I feel like created by the Google itself, so it's kind of good, and it's quite feels good as well. So you can just enter the task. Let's say for an example, I write something, some examples here. I create this particularly. Okay, some there is no option for selecting picking. So folks, there is some issues with the related to it. Okay, so let's say tomorrow what will be gonna do, that same app will be trying to build in a web app, try to see in how this particular thing happens in Next.js, how it will be looking like, and those stuffs we will be gonna talk about it. Let me know in comment section below, folks, how did you like this kind of a videos. So if you hit like this particular things, if you wanted to take a one-on-one consultation on this with me, you can do that. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay, if you want a kind of a career guidance, it may be, or it may be related to like you are a founder and you wanted to brainstorm the idea of with the minimal charges. I will be helping you out for you, so it will be getting your more clarity towards that. So at the end of the day, you will be more clear enough. That is what we do in our like I have started my own startup where I discuss brainstorm about the founder's perspective. So that's why I this is a thing which I do. Okay, so let me know in comment section below what the things you liked it. This is what I do. So if you like this, comment down below which topic that you like. So we'll discuss and brainstorm related to it. So that's all from this particular video, folks. We'll discuss in next video. So here list of tasks you can see. Okay, so tasks, which are the tasks, home, you can see view all tasks. See, there's a building a React application. Let's say if I'm just selecting this, done, completed, which are the completed active ones. No, nothing, none of the things is there, so it is going to trying to filter it out like this. Okay, so it was a simple to do application where I built it, this one. Okay, so that's all from this side, my side. Have a great day, and we'll discuss in next week.